pool is 20 years old. The water has been green for a year. I just had the sand changed in the filter 10 days ago and it still hasn't cleared up. Treated with algae dye 4 days ago and the pool chemicals seem normal with my test strips. Any advice?
Well, it's obviously a sand filter. Do you have the ability to put the pool filter on recirculate? Does it have a multi-port valve? First thing that comes to mind is it's a circulation problem, not just dirty sand, which it could very well have been, but likely you're not getting the flow through the filter that you could be, or that you should be. You might want to check inside the pump. The pump impeller might be impacted. Or are you getting good return? Are you getting a normal return water blowing back into the pool? If you're getting normal water, then it wouldn't be that. But if your water pressure coming back into the pool is low, it might just be a circulation problem. Also, how long are you running the filter? If the pool's been green for a year, that's telling me something drastic is going on. And it could be you just need to turn it on and not turn it off and chlorinate it well. The third thing is purely chlorine. You may need, if it's been this green this long, now green as a color, or is it murky as well? Because you could have pH issues if the water is just a greenish color. But if it's cloudy greeny, like algae greeny, it could just be a chemical thing. And my best solution for that would be to skyrocket the chlorine level. Get it up as high as you possibly can get it. It's called breakpoint chlorination. And today's day and age, we don't use the drip strips or the OTO test like we used to, but you would know breakpoint chlorination at that point is when you would put the drops in there, it would settle to the bottom. It wouldn't mix anymore. That was called breakpoint. I don't know what it would be on a dip strip if you're doing that, but depending on how big the pool is, we're talking 3, 4, 5 cases of chlorine potentially. And that might just break that lock of something that's going on. Because every once in a while you get those weird situations where while you can clean up some of the bacteria and algae in the water, it's still lurking in dark places. And the minute you think you've got it, it goes right back into action. And it may just require turning it on, leaving it running, and hitting it hard with chlorine. Short of that, I suppose there could be some other weird chemistry issues, but it seems like it's one of those. It seems fairly obvious, but I don't know for sure.